Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering core gear: chests, barrels, shulkers, signs, and hoppers, then pick a central room for storage. Now, first, sketch zones for ores, building, food, and mob drops. Place one chest per major category and mark each with a color block. Once done, line up labels and assign subcategories like iron versus gold and raw versus processed. Make sure to keep one shulker per special stackable item for portability, and prepare a buffer chest for overflow while you build. Next, build the sorting mechanics and refine organization. Start with a hopper chest sorter to funnel stackable items into their category chests, and add overflow protections so routers don't clog. Once functioning, add item frames and signs to every chest and place a quick access hotbar chest near your exit. Make sure to cluster related categories: building blocks near decorative blocks, redstone with components, because proximity speeds retrieval. Finally, test the flow. Drop a dozen sample items to confirm correct routing. Finish by compressing overflow into blocks or shulker boxes and placing them in a secondary vault. Once done, create an index book or a wall map listing chest contents and locations so you and teammates can find items fast. Make sure to leave a maintenance lane for hopper access and redstone checks. If the system misroutes, inspect hopper orientation, comparator timing, and signal strength, and clear jammed items. Those 3 fixes resolve most flow issues and restore reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.